Hello guys, welcome to etrainerbox. Today we will discuss about if function and discuss about different scenario of this function. Before I start further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So we have this database in which I have employee ID, gender, employee name, sales target and sales. So here is my first scenario. If any of this employee achieves sales more than its sales target, then I want to write the message here good. If they do not achieve sales target, then I want to show here nothing. So how can I do this? I will use here if function. So here I will use first equal if bracket. The first argument is logical test. What is my logical test? My logical test is if my sales greater than sales target, then I want to show the message. So I will close the first argument with comma. So if my logical test is true, then what message I want to mention here, value if true, I want to write it here good. So in inverted commas, I will write it here good, inverted commas close. Then I want to close this argument with comma. Then the third argument is value false. Mean if my this logical test or this logical argument is false, then what I should mention here, I do not want to show anything, so I will use here blank inverted commas, then bracket close, press enter, and you can see I do not get anything. Why? Because this employee sales less than the sale target, so that is why I do not get anything. Similarly, I will use the same formula here, equal if bracket. My first logical argument is my sales greater than its target, comma. Then I want to show the message here, good, inverted commas close, comma. The last argument value false. I do not want to show anything here, so inverted comma blank, bracket close, press enter. You can see I get the message here good because my sales greater than sales target. So for the rest, I will just copy paste the formula from start to end. And you can see here I got the message good because my sales greater than its sales target. Similarly, we also get the messages here because sales greater than its target, and for the rest we got nothing because the sales less than its sales target. In the second scenario of if function, I wanted if any of the employee achieve the target, then message must be show here target completed. If any of the employee does not achieve the target, then message must be show here target not completed. How can we do this? We will use again if function here, equal if bracket. The logical test is sales greater than sales target, comma. Then I want to write the message here target completed, inverted commas close, comma. In case my this logical test is false, then I want to write the message here target not completed, inverted comma close, bracket close, press enter. You can see I got the message here target not completed. Why? Because sales less than sales target. So I will copy paste the formula in the rest of the cells, and you can see I got the message here target completed, here also target completed. Why? Because here sales greater than sales target, and in the other cells where I got the message target not completed, you can see sales less than sales target. In our third scenario, I want to show the sales only for male employees. So how can we do this? I will use here if function, equal if bracket. So in the logical test, I will use the gender. So this cell B4 equal to male, inverted commas close, comma, value if true, I want to show the sales, so I will select the E4, comma, value if false, so in case my this logical test is fail, or if this logical test is false, then I don't want to show anything. Mean if there is a female gender, then I do not want to show anything, so I will write it here, inverted commas blank, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the sales because this employee James is a male. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see in the next two cells we got the blank because these two employees gender are female. Similarly, if I want to show the sales only for female employees, then how can I do this? I will use the same function, but right now I will write it here female and press enter, and you can see I got nothing. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see in the some cells we got the sales and some are blanks. Why? These cells employees are female. Similarly, if we see the blank cells employees gender, these are the male employees. So in this way you can fetch the sales gender wise. In our last scenario, we wanted if any of the employee achieve more than 50% of the sales target, then we will give the 40% bonus of the sales. How can we do this? We will use here again if function equal if bracket. So our logical test will be sales greater than 50% of sales target. So greater than 50% of sales target. Then we will give the 40% bonus of its sales. Then we will give the 40% bonus of its sales. Otherwise, we will not give any bonus, comma, inverted commas, no bonus, inverted comma close, bracket close, press enter. And you can see this employee got the 40% bonus of its sales. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see some employees do not get anything and the message here no bonus, and some employees get the 40% bonus of the sales. So if you see the message here no bonus, then you can see the sales of these employees less than the 50% of the sales target. That is why they get the message here no bonus. So in this way you can use the if function in the different scenarios as per your requirements. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much.